Have you ever noticed how some people say things online that they'd never dare say in person? Or maybe the more uncomfortable question is, would they? The recent 370 biryani clip has got a lot of people talking and debating. Many found it insulting, dismissive, and dehumanizing. But it also reminded me of a philosophical question that's over 2000 years old. A question asked by Plato. In the Republic, Plato described the ring of Jezis as a ring that makes its wearer invisible. No consequences, no accountability, no audience. And then he asks, if nobody could see what you were doing, would you still choose to be a good person? I don't fully agree with the cynical view that people are only moral because they are being watched. But the internet has made Plato's question feel surprisingly relevant because today millions of people have something very similar to Jay-Z's ring: a screen, a username, a private inbox. Now think about dating apps. Many people clearly state their boundaries. No hookups, looking for something serious, and yet messages arrive that ignore those boundaries completely. The bio was read, but the boundary was still treated as negotiable. I've heard enough stories to know that this isn't an isolated experience. It's a pattern, and Plato's ring helps explain why. When people believe there are few consequences, they often become less careful about what they reveal. To be fair, I don't think dating apps are bad or that the apps created this behavior, but they can amplify it. On these apps, users swipe, like, match, move on. The entire experience encourages quick judgments and endless choice. Over time, some users begin approaching people with a marketplace mindset. Profiles become products, preferences become suggestions, boundaries become obstacles to negotiate around. Not everyone behaves this way, but enough people do that the pattern feels familiar. Which brings me back to the 370 biryani comment. What struck me wasn't just what was said, it was how casually it was said, publicly, on camera, for an audience. Because if someone feels comfortable saying that openly, what does the conversation look like when they think nobody is watching? And that's where accountability matters. Most of us assume visibility changes behavior, but when certain attitudes are repeated often enough in private spaces, in DMs, anonymous accounts, group chats, they can start feeling normal. And once something feels normal, people stop filtering it. To be clear, this isn't about all men. Many men respect boundaries, dislike transactional dating culture, and are navigating the same digital spaces in good faith. The real question isn't whether everyone behaves this way, it's why some people feel so comfortable doing it. Plato believed that true character isn't revealed when people are watching, it's revealed when they aren't. The internet didn't create human nature, but it has given us a modern ring of gauges. And every day it asks the same question Plato asked centuries ago: who are you when you think nobody is watching?